here's your option for Cadillac Escalades with automatic running boards. You're going to need to be able to use WeatherTech for your back and Husky for your front. And the two numbers, WeatherTech's is 120037, Husky's part number 58201. And this is for Cadillacs, but they do not give you this option when you type it in on their website. But these will just bolt in. But you do have to use a Husky brand for your front to be able to clear the automatic running board. I'll show you that. Alright, and the part number for the Husky is 58201. These just screw right on. You take out the OEM screws, put your little bit of protection, clear protection tape, and then put these back on. Took me about 3 minutes with my little drill, turn the wheel so you can get to it. The backs are a little more difficult because you can't get the wheel out of the way. So you may have to use some kind of a small socket wrench. I hope this helps, because it's not very easy to find. But it will work for many years of Escalades. Like, subscribe, and always thumbs up. Here's the Husky 58201 front mud flaps.